Hello, this is San Malik. As you know, I am here building the full stack to do application, and I have done the basic backend setup and the authentication for my application and the to do operation. And today I will perform the auth middleware. Okay, so what the role of this auth middleware? So when user will come and if it is not login and try to get the to dos and create the to dos, so we will stop them. You are not login. You have to first login and then you can create. So this work will done by auth middleware. Okay, so let me set my screen and let's get started. Okay, so I hope my screen is visible. Okay, so let's start. And to do it and backend. Okay. Okay, so it started and okay, so you can see last time I have done the to-do squared operation: get, update, create, delete, in user, login user, register user, and now we'll create in middleware. We'll create a login auth middleware. Okay, so let me first start. Okay, let's go to PowerShell. Let's start the terminal. Okay, and the command start the server, and the command is npm run dev. Okay, so it is starting. So in login, let me go to login. So I have generated token when user will login. Okay, so same thing, we are using token only. We will check user is login or not. Okay, so let's get a create a auth middleware, and also I will create one middleware folder. Inside I will store all the middlewares required to my application. Okay, so there is a middleware folder I have created. Okay, and I will create a file here, so auth.js. Okay, so now here let's create a middleware. So for the middleware, syntax is const auth equal to, now here normally we take two parameters, request comma response. Now for middleware we will take three: request, response, and next. Okay, so let me create, and now very first thing is we will check the token is there or not. So token we will check from the header. So let's go and check const token equal to request.headers, and here authorization. Okay, then we do split and 1. Okay, so now this syntax will give me the token, it is there or not. Okay, so and first check if token is not there. If token is not there, so we will return the user from here only, and we will give a response dot status 401 dot json, and we'll provide a message token not provided, token not found. Okay, so this is what we have handled. The token is not there. Okay, but token is there, so we will do next. But before next, also we have to perform one thing. Okay, and when we have done the login part, so we have generated the token but using some payload. Okay, you can see the payload, and inside payload I have save user id as a user.id and username as a username. Okay, so let me get them from here. So const decoded equal to jwt. Let me import the jwt. Okay, so just import it. Const jwt equal to require JSON web token. Okay, so it is imported now. So when we are generating the token, so we have done jwt sign. Okay, now we will here do verify. Okay, verify, and in parentheses we will give a two parameters. So you can see first is a token and second one is a secret key. If you are forget, so just hover in and you will see. So it will took first parameter as a token and second secret or public key. Okay, so what you have decided. Okay, so first is a token and second is my jwt secret key. Okay, so this is what. So I just give it. Okay, now we will do two steps: request.body dot user id equal to decoded dot user id, and also I had take as a user id and then username. Okay, so one more time, username. Okay, so why I'm doing this? So when I will perform the role plus access control, so at that time this will help us to manage the our role-based access control middleware. Okay, so for next video I will do RBAC, means role-based access control, and after doing this just do next. Okay, so now our middleware is done. Okay, so let me just export it. So module dot export, okay, spelling mistake, module dot exports equal to auth. Okay, so it is done now. So where I will use it? Okay, so so there is a 2 to 3 ways to use auth, any middleware, not auth, any middleware we can use. So very first is in a route. Okay, in a route. Okay, so where is my routers? Okay, here to do. Okay, so I want when user want to create any to do, so he should first authorized. Okay, so let me add. Okay, so the way to use middleware is first there is a route, and then before the controller name or before the controller just add that middleware. Okay, let me import it. Okay, so it is imported. So for creation, for updation, okay, for creation, for updation, also delete. Okay, also for delete I will add. Okay, also I want for get request, but I will figure out that I have not used here auth middleware, so I will get without login also. But when I will try to post any to do, so it will not allow me. Okay, so let's perform, and then I will also make private this route also. Okay, so let's go to the Thunder client. Okay, and let's start. Okay, so Thunder client, let's go here. Okay, so you can see some to-dos I have created. Let's send again. Okay, so you can see some to-dos is there. Okay, so let's go to first heaters, and okay, so there's a, okay, so let me just remove here. Okay, so now let's try to create any to do. Okay, so let's do and to do, because this is the private. Okay, so let's do get and do post request. Okay, and let's do title 3, and this is to do 3. Okay, I can say. So now let's do. So you can see to do not found. It means our middleware is working properly. Okay, so now let's go to header. So first let's do login again. Okay, so let's do login, and here what was the name? XIZ @gmail.com. Okay, so this is what Gmail ID, and then password. Okay, sorry, not login, email and the password. And password was 1234. Okay, so this and the path. Okay, so users and login. I am doing login. Okay, so let's do send. So you can see I am logging successfully. So let's go here and just write authorization, and very first is okay bearer and the token. Okay, so by using this now I can create the to do. Okay, so let me just do. Okay, so let's create the to do. So this is to do 3, and let's also change the path. So path is to do, and name also route is create. Okay, so now let's do send. You can see to do add successfully, because before it was not created. So that because I have not did login. Okay, so now I login, and you can see now to do is saved, because I have login, and also now in auth it is found the token. So this part will skip, and now it will come at the next, and it will do next, and then this middleware allow to go next and go to controllers and process further. Okay, so this is what for today. Tomorrow we'll see the RBAC, means role based access control. And so thanks for watching, and stay connected. Bye bye.